Well, I made these slip washers here, so the thread spool will free spin on those right there, and then I've got these magnets here that have polarities facing each other, which causes them to create a spring. So when I put the epoxy is still wet, so that's why I can't really demo it, and plus I need to work on smoothing out the ends of these stainless steel tubing. But this is really pretty cool because this is working better than I thought. These magnets go, you put it in, and the magnets, you tighten this up all the way, back it off just a little bit, and that'll give you a real tight bobbin. And then if you just keep turning, you'd be able to loosen it up to where you could probably, if I can get the tubes smooth enough, you could probably run some really thin thread through there, and this thing should be thin thread to heavy thread friendly. I'm liking it, actually. I'm liking it a lot. That spring, that invisible spring, because of the magnets, is a pretty cool thing. What do you think? Let me know.